northeast Ohio and northwest Pennsylvania, including the following areas. In northeast Ohio, Ashtabula Inland, Ashtabula Lakeshore, Cuyahoga, Geauga, Lake and Trumbull. In northwest Pennsylvania, Crawford, Pennsylvania, northern Erie and southern Erie. Through Monday afternoon, an area of low pressure and a potent upper-level disturbance will move east across Lake Erie tonight and early Monday. This storm system has the potential to produce locally heavy rainfall across portions of northeastern Ohio and northwestern Pennsylvania. An additional 1 to 3 inches of rainfall is possible in addition to the heavy rainfall that fell earlier today. Lake Erie will help enhance the rainfall, and rainfall rates can approach 2 inches per hour. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall may produce flooding and poor drainage in low-lying areas. If more widespread rainfall amounts reach 2 inches, flooding will also be possible along some of the area rivers and creeks. A flash flood watch means the threat of flash flooding exists along rivers and creeks. If you are in the watch area, you should monitor weather conditions closely. Be ready to move to higher ground if flooding is observed or a warning is issued. Stay tuned to Weather Radio for further updates.